In this video, I show you how to fix your Discord camera and webcam not working. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. Here we are on Discord and let's get into some of these fixes for when your webcam isn't working. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you close any other application which is using your webcam on your computer. For example, if you've got a camera app open, or if you're using a program like OBS. For example, I use this software called OBS to record these videos, and you want to make sure that you've removed your webcam from all of the scenes and the sources, because otherwise that may block it from being used, because your computer only allows one application to use your webcam at one time, so make sure it's not being used by any other applications. The next thing you want to do is go to your Discord settings, so go and tap on the gear icon in the bottom left labeled user settings. Then what you need to do is head over to the voice and video settings, so you'll need to go and scroll down until you go to app settings, and then here we've got voice and video. Then what you want to do is scroll down just like so, and we want to go and make sure you've got your camera selected. As you can see, I've got my Logitech HD webcam C270 selected as well. And the next thing I want you to go and do is close off your Discord settings and go and just do a test call. This is my alt account here. So when I go and call it just like this, as you can see, the call's starting, but you can actually go and change which webcam you're using. So go and tap on the webcam button and then you can go and choose the one here. For this next method, you need to head back to a settings. So come to the bottom left of Discord and go and tap on the user settings. And then what we need to do is go to the advanced settings. So scroll down just like so, and under app settings, there's going to be this advanced section. Tap on it just like this. Then what you need to do is try turning off hardware acceleration. Sometimes this just is going to mess up your webcam. So make sure you try turning that off and seeing if that makes a difference. Discord will need to go and restart. And a quick tip I want to mention is that it's worth calling with a friend, because sometimes your webcam is actually sending video to your friend, but it's just not allowing you to preview it. So that's a common fix as well, which these methods should fix. But if they don't, sometimes webcam is working, but it's just yourself can't go and preview it. Anyways, if you still can't go and see it, or your friend can't go and see it, then what we need to do is head back to your settings again, so tap on user settings. Then scroll down and you want to go to voice and video and scroll right to the bottom of this section here. It's quite long, but keep scrolling. And what we want to do is actually go and reset our voice settings. So click on reset voice settings just like so, and even though it says voice it's still worth doing, so press OK and everything is going to go and be reset, and Discord is going to go and restart. And now just head back to your settings again, because you may need to go and make sure you've got the correct microphone selected and things like that. In this case, I want to use this mic here. For the next method, what I recommend doing is checking to see if your webcam's working in other applications. For example, you go and open up the camera app on your computer, so just type in camera just like so. As you can see, here it is, and then as you can see, it will take a moment to load, and then here we are, my webcam's working fine, so it probably means it's more of an issue related to Discord. And to check if it's an issue with the Discord application, then what you could go and do is go and open up your browser. I'm just using Google Chrome, head to discord.com, and then we can go and tap on open Discord in your browser, and you can then use Discord in your browser and see if it's working in your browser with your webcam. And a final thing you should try doing is just restarting your computer. Sometimes this is just going to fix everything for you, and it's definitely worth doing. If you guys found this useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.